Have you ever wanted to master LabVIEW and build real engineering systems instead of just learning theory? If yes, then this course is designed specifically for you. Welcome to the LabVIEW Masterclass, Data Acquisition, Arduino Integration, IoT Applications, and CLAD Certification Preparation. This course takes you on a complete journey, from absolute beginner concepts to advanced real-world engineering applications using LabVIEW Masterclass DAQ, Arduino. We start by building a strong foundation in LabVIEW graphical programming. You will learn essential concepts such as data types, loops, structures, debugging techniques, and how to design efficient and professional LabVIEW programs. Once the fundamentals are clear, we move into something even more exciting, connecting LabVIEW with real hardware. You will learn how to integrate LabVIEW with Arduino using the Links toolkit, allowing you to collect real-time data from sensors and control physical devices directly from your LabVIEW interface. Imagine building your own data acquisition systems, smart monitoring platforms, and hardware control applications. But this course goes far beyond simple programming. You will also explore IoT applications, where LabVIEW becomes a powerful platform for monitoring and controlling systems remotely. As you progress further, we dive into advanced engineering concepts including control system design, mathematical modeling, and implementing PID controllers and feedback systems. These are the same techniques used in industrial automation, robotics, and modern control engineering. Another major advantage of this course is CLAD certification preparation. The Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer certification is highly valuable for engineers working in automation, instrumentation, and research laboratories. By the end of this course, you will not only understand LabVIEW, you will be able to design, simulate, and deploy real engineering applications with confidence. This course is perfect for engineering students, researchers, automation engineers, and anyone who wants to build practical LabVIEW projects from scratch. So if you are ready to upgrade your engineering skills, work with real hardware, and build industry-relevant projects, this is the course for you. Don't just learn programming, build systems, solve real problems, and become a confident LabVIEW developer. Enroll now, and I'll see you inside the course.